let's also tell you what's been happening in the national capital, what is expected in the next few hours. We are building up to the Prime Minister's big address. Remember, that's expected at the BJP headquarters later this evening. And we also do know that JP Nadda could be reaching the BJP headquarters close to about 6:30. And not just this, there are pan-India celebrations that have also been planned by the BJP starting 9 tonight. Mohit is also live with us. We'll also get in Rishabh, both tracking that story closely. Mohit, first to you, what you can tell us. Mohit? Mohit, can you hear us?
Well, yes, in fact, the celebrations, Namrata, have started over here, and perhaps that is why I couldn't hear your question. Have a look at the scenes at BJP headquarters. The dhol, the BJP workers, sweets, everything is here, and you can see how they are dancing. I'll ask my camera person to show these visuals. Please show these visuals, that how the BJP workers over here are dancing, the dhol center over here, and what we know is that around 6:30 p.m. the BJP leaders will start arriving at BJP headquarters. The General Secretary of the BJP are already here. The spokesperson and the leaders are already here. What we are being told is that around 7:30, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely to come here and address the BJP workers from this particular platform. Now, the BJP has also planned pan-India celebrations today at around 9 p.m. Every single district and mandal, they have given specific instructions to the workers that around 9 p.m. they need to celebrate this victory. Now, why this victory is very important? Given the fact that this is the third term that BJP will be getting in Haryana, this is something which is unprecedented. This is something nobody expected. After those exit polls, so BJP said it's a massive, massive win, and its endorsement of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, despite all that came from the exit polls. So look at these visuals. I'll show you toward this side. All the senior leaders of the BJP will be here. A stage will be erected over here, and you will see a massive poster of Prime Minister Narendra Modi over there. So everything is in place. The sound system has come over here. The chairs are there for the BJP leaders, and around what we are being told that around 7 to 8 p.m. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely to address the gathering over here. Let's talk to a few of the people and ask them that what exactly they have to say on this particular day. Sir, ये बताइए, हरियाणा में उम्मीद कम लग रही थी, लेकिन एक बड़ी जीत मिली है। जी, क्या कहेंगे?
नहीं, निश्चित रूप से हमारी पार्टी को पूरी उम्मीद थी कि सरकार हम ही बनाएंगे, और जीत जो हुई है वो बहुत अच्छा है। हमारे देश के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री जी की
जलेबी खिला रहे हैं, जलेबी का एक बड़ा मुद्दा बनाया था राहुल गांधी ने।
ऐसा है, जलेबी अब हमने डिक्लेयर कर दिया, वो कांग्रेसी मिठाई है, हम लड्डू बांटेंगे।
अच्छा, तो आप लोग जलेबी नहीं बांटेंगे, लड्डू ही रहेंगे क्या बीजेपी में?
नहीं, जलेबी खाते हैं। हमारी तो राष्ट्रीय मिठाई जलेबी है, तो हम तो जलेबी खाते हैं, लेकिन वो ऐसी बात लेके आते हैं कि भाई उससे विवाद खड़ा हो जाता है।
कितनी बड़ी जीत है आज की, कितनी बड़ी जीत है
आज बहुत बड़ी जीत है। तीसरी बार सरकार आई है, और जिन मुद्दों को नैरेटिव गढ़ रहे थे, प्रोपेगेंडा बना रहे थे।
प्रधानमंत्री कितने बजे आने की उम्मीद है?